Hey there, entrepreneurs and investors. Are you ready to be part of the revolution in urban energy? I'm talking about the second Journey Masterclass, Global Expansion 2030 Insights. This is where innovation meets opportunity in the booming clean tech market. In 2025, there are two types of entrepreneurs: those who read about innovation and those who bring it to life. Alfred A. Wilhelm, he's in the latter group. This engineer and inventor isn't just talking about the future, he's already making it happen with his hybrid wind-solar power plants. They're transforming rooftops in Thailand and soon, Singapore. But here's the kicker: Alfred doesn't go to trade fairs in Frankfurt. He's engaging directly with China's elite universities, Fudan, Tsinghua, Shenzhen, where the New World Order is being shaped. These are the people who speak 5 languages, use AI for grid balancing, and think on a regional scale. So, what does this mean for you? If you're not in dialogue with China's leading universities by 2025, you might be working for someone who studied there by 2028. Key facts: 38% of global patents come from China, 60% of Asia's urban microenergy projects are in the ASEAN region. ASW-Repowering is launching pilot sites, with licenses spreading across Southeast Asia. Now, it's time to get real. Introducing the second Journey Masterclass. This is your exclusive invitation if you're an entrepreneur or investor with a clean tech focus or a strategic Asia interest. What you'll get: direct access to Alfred A. Wilhelm and his innovations, analysis of the Energy City Blueprint 2030, case studies from Thailand, Singapore, and Malaysia, a roadmap for licensing and capital phases, insider briefings from top Chinese universities. But here's the deal: only 15 seats, application deadline May 31st, 2025. To apply, type Golden Escape 2030 on LinkedIn or call directly. Decide now. Do you want to participate in 2026? Or watch others take your market? The wind is here, the technology is ready, and the network is waiting. But the masterclass seat, it won't wait forever. Subscribe, listen, and act. Follow us on LinkedIn. #ASW Repowering #GreenTech 2030 #Global Expansion Insights.